We are about to start our journey this morning. I think it said it was negative 15, but negative 39 with the wind chill. It's like, if you got bare skin exposed, you're gonna have problems. It is cold. I'm just grateful that both of our vehicles started this morning. And we got the rental car ready to go. So we're just gonna pack it and get on the road.
Okay. 6:30.
On our way to Miami to get on the cruise ship. We should be just north of Atlanta tonight before we stop. It's gonna be a long couple days driving, but at least we're not stuck on one of those canceled flights today.
Heck yeah. Look at all these trucks. We're at our hotel in Kennesaw, Georgia. And all these trucks are at the hotel. Wondering what's going on. They're here for the impending ice storm. We're supposed to get an inch of ice. And these folks are here to help after all the power lines go down or whatever. So interesting. Good luck, everyone. Thanks, everyone, for helping out people that lose power and everything. But we're here. We're good, Greg and I.
It's going to gradually cool the temperatures down in northwest Georgia, and that's what's going to set up these significant winter weather impacts. So in purple, ice storm warning that includes most of North Georgia, quarter inch to inch of ice, coupled with strong wind gusts, widespread power outages, and we have a winter weather advisory on the south side.
We are just south of Atlanta, gonna eat at a Waffle House. We don't have these up in the north, so whenever we're in the south, we try to eat here at least once. Let's go get some breakfast. Florida. It looks gloomy and crappy out, but it says it's 60 degrees, so it's better than being up north, which was literally like 90 degrees difference.
Minus 15.
39 with the wind chill factor.
Yeah. We're going to be seeing so much ocean.
It is highly significant that something.
I'm zoomed in a lot.
Conspicuous piece of evidence.
There we go.
I don't know, but I think we need.
This is day 3 of our trip. We're taking a little detour before we get on a cruise. We're down here in Homestead, Florida. Gonna go check out the Coral Castle.
afternoon. Welcome, young man. Come on up. Hi, beautiful. Welcome.
I'll take that. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, that thing. We are such amateurs at all this. Getting on the ship. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Walking way down the hall here trying to find our room. And there it is. There's our room.
Oh, look, the elevators are right there, too.
Oh, yeah. Elevators are over there.
Just getting around.
Scan us in. Here it is. All right. Entering our room for the first time here. This is the bathroom. Got the shower head, that looks pretty cool. Rainfall shower. It's not a big bathroom, but it'll work. We don't gotta sleep in there, so it's all good.
No.
There's our bed. Desk area. That must be where the refrigerator's at. Nice. And the balcony. This is the part everybody talks about, is this. Oh, doesn't take a lot of force to open the door. There's the Miami skyline. It is quite humid out here. It was very air conditioned inside the ship.
Yeah.
You gonna try out the hammock?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's pretty comfortable. We'll be out here a lot. We'll be fighting over it. You want to try it?
Not right now. I'm gonna go back into the air conditioning. It's muggy out there.
It is warm out.
Big full-length mirror, so we can check out our goofy outfits every day. This looks like a wardrobe. Oh, and a safe. They got some cubbies down there. Place to hang things.
Life jackets.
All right. So apparently we have to do.
Request mattress topper.
A lot of people say that you want to get a different mattress topper because the mattress is pretty firm. I'm going to sit on it and see what it's like. Oh yeah, that thing's a brick.
Yeah, that's pretty.
So we're going to request a mattress topper and then get things settled in here. We got to go do our muster station and then we'll go check out the rest of the ship.
Along with warm clothing and any required medications. And save your trip from becoming a Greek tragedy.
So getting here to the ship was a complete cluster. I'll beep that out later.
Oh, it's terrible.
Driving into the port, apparently they had a marathon here today.
And they got construction going on
And
as well.
construction going on in the port.
And there's, I think, seven
ships in port. So the traffic was absolutely nuts. I think we got to the other side of the bridge coming over at noon. We didn't get on the ship till I think it was 11:45. Or not 11,
2.
I mean 1. Was it 2? No, it wasn't 2 o'clock.
We got on at 2 because it was 2:30 was our time, but
Okay.
they let us in early.
Yeah, we got on the ship at 2 o'clock. So
2 o'clock.
it's crazy.
Ahoy, sailors. Our assembly stations are now open for check-in. At your leisure, please make your way to your assembly station, as shown on the back of your cabin door or in the Virgin Voyages app. Before you check in, press play on our safety video, as available on your in-cabin television or on the Virgin Voyages app. All sailors are required by international law to watch this video to ensure you know where to go and what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. Remember to bring your band or cabin key card. See you at your assembly station soon.
All right. The announcements have been going off to let us know to go to the muster station. So
We will. We watched the
we're
video.
going to do that in a little bit because
know
we
where to
watched
go.
our safety video. So yeah, we're going to go to the muster station, maybe find some food because I'm feeling hungry. Snacks that we had in the car while we're waiting in all that traffic were just not enough.
I'm glad we had snacks and a drink.
Yeah. Then I think I'm going to take a nap before we do anything else later
A
on.
nap sounds good too.
So yeah, we're going to go check everything out.
Ahoy.
So our first meals on the ship are salads. I know we're going to eat a lot of shit we shouldn't this week. So this is our first meal on the ship. This is s'more in a jar. And a chocolate cherry cake or brownie.
Brownie.
And then that weird thing was on top of it. It looks like a mushroom stem. We're not going to eat that.
It's got gold on it though. At times.
I'm going to zoom out. Oh, let me zoom out. Krista's going to give it a try.
Oh my gosh.
Can you get it out of there? It tastes like s'mores?
It does taste like s'mores. It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. You try it. See?
Yeah, it's pretty damn good.
Yeah, that chocolate is really like a ganache
It's like
almost.
fudge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So after driving from the freezing cold tundra of Iowa, 2 days of driving straight through, get all the way down here through horrible traffic to get here. We finally got our wristbands and we're here to relax. Finally.
Finally.
It's a place to sit and lounge.
Field position, connected to play toss. Dean Ernest Johnson fields it. To start the third quarter, and he's just barely across the 30 as we now will play the second half afterwards.
It's another boat trying to go through it.
You know what?
We're trying to get them to go that way too, but they're not paying attention. It's gonna come right through. Is he not watching?
Oh my gosh, how do you not? There it goes. Oh, he's pissed.
Turn west, guys. Just turn west. Stay outside the markers. Turn downwind. Stay outside the markers.
When setting sail and starting to make this video, I quickly realized I wasn't comfortable filming with so many people around, and I had decided I wasn't going to make a YouTube cruise video. So we just took photos and filmed some things to show family and friends. But during editing, we decided what we had could still work as a video for YouTube. I hope you enjoy watching our vacation vlog.
We're at the PJ party on the first night. It is super Everybody seems to be having a great time.
I like the looks of these things. They're on every floor. They remind me of model kits when I was a kid. You could break the pieces off and put everything together. Pretty neat.
Walking on the third spot. I just had a nice yoga Pilates stretch session and just walking.
All right, the infamous glass wall bathroom. Sit down. Have a great view while you go. Nice. Off the pool, in case you're trying to find it.
The lemon cheesecake, baked Alaska. This is something for an anniversary. I don't know whose it is, but it is ours.
It's ours now.
What is yours?
The Wake.
The Wake. Chocolate mousse.
Chocolate.
Hazelnut.
Chocolate ganache or chocolate mousse and hazelnut.
Spooky looking. Good morning from Cozumel. Oh, it's so dirty.
Turn left onto Avenue 65.
There's our view. Whoa! Right here, left. Look, there's the Alto. It's okay on my side.
Yeah, not my side. I'm gonna be clear after this car.
There's a bike coming, but you're faster.
I can get there faster.
Whoa!
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Turn.
Oh, good.
Jeez.
Is that a bump?
No, it wasn't a speed bump. It was just a pothole.
I wish our windows were cleaner, but that's okay. It's a true experience, right?
Yeah.
There's my baby. Woohoo! Doing a great job.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Keep it up.
Checking us out. Looks like a chicken foot in there. I think it is a chicken foot. Somebody must have been trying to feed the gator. That's probably why he's here, because they've been feeding him. Crocodile, whatever he is.
Bigger fish over here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a video of him.
Oh, thank you. You look like, what do you look like?
This little guy. You see him? He's right down in the green pool.
No.
You can't see the fish right there?
Oh, there he is. I see him. Oh, I'm looking farther that way. He looks like a sunfish. Except he's pointy. Hey, buddy. He's like one looking for food.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Evan from Florida.
Evan from Florida!
No one out here. It's cold and windy. Very wavy today. Turn around and go back.
Everybody's trying to do the same thing. Excuse us, we'll get out of the way.
Oh, I can smell that. It smells good. Damn cold to be in the water today. But I'm gonna walk down and see how cold it is on my feet. Oh, yeah, that's cold. I would not want to go in there. Oh, that's freezing ass cold. Krista and I enjoyed our cruise on Virgin Voyages, Scarlet Lady. The dining experiences were wonderful. The entire crew was friendly and worked hard to create the perfect voyage. We will cruise Virgin again. I'm not sure what you got going on today, but it seems like a great day to chase your dreams. We're going to get back to living ours. Let's get through the doorway. Hold on. We're editing shit out. Ridiculous. There must be so much they do in post.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, just. Hey baby.
What?
We're moving.
We are.
Hey, baby. We're on a cruise ship. Hey, baby. Hi. We finally did it. We finally made it here.
Yeah,
We talked about it for so long.
months.
I know. Thank you for driving me down here.
You bet.
I'm sorry I can't fly. I will learn someday.